I am now going to take you through the setting up of the ARx Vision app and headset. To do this, I am going to take the first tutorial card that says to download the ARx app, scan this QR code with your phone. I am now going to use the camera app on my phone. I'm going to align the phone with the card and the link pops out on the screen. I tap the link and the ARx Vision listing shows up on the Google Play Store. I'm now going to install the app. It's only 60 megabytes, so that's fairly fast to install, 25%. And that's installed. And I am now going to open the app. And the AI assistant will start guiding me through the process.
Tutorial. This short experience is designed to help you set up the ARx AI headset and app, try the camera, and learn the navigation basics. Without wearing the ARx AI headset, make sure it is within reach along with the tutorial cards. When you are ready to start granting app permissions, tap the next button at the bottom of the screen.
I tap the next button and I am now prompted with regular app permissions, recording audio, sending notifications.
The ARx AI headset is shaped like an arc. On the smaller left side of the arc is a volume control module with a single rocker button. On the right side is a camera module with 3 buttons on it, square, circle and triangle. Both modules have a rubbery bone conduction speaker that must rest on the front of your ear holes. The curved branches of the headset rest on the top of your ears. The back of the headset rests on the back of your head, not covering your face. The camera module on the right faces forward. You can adjust the fit of the headset by tightening the elastic band located in the travel case. It's now time to wear the ARx AI headset. With the camera module in your right hand and the volume module in your left one, place the headset over your head and slowly move it down until the rubber pads rest in front of your ears. When you are wearing the ARx AI headset, tap the next button at the bottom of the screen. Now allow the USB permissions required for your phone and the ARx AI to connect. After plugging the ARx headset's USB-C cable into your phone, the headset will become the speaker. By default, the Android output volume may be low, so you need to make sure to raise the volume to the maximum. Adjusting the headset's rubber speaker's position will also improve how you can hear ARx. When you are ready, connect the USB-C cable and follow the instructions on the USB permissions page.
Alright, so let's connect it.
Now let's grant the USB permissions required for your phone.
So the audio is now inside the headset. I'm going to do a manipulation so that it goes back to the Bluetooth.
Make sure to raise the volume to the maximum.
Here we go. So I'm now granting permissions and ticking the box. And the app restarts.
USB permission given, navigating to next page. You can fully control the ARx app using the ARx AI headset's buttons. To be completely hands-free, you can also lock your phone and leave it in your pocket or bag. There is a total of 5 buttons on the headset, 2 volume control buttons on the left side, and 3 action buttons on the right side. To hear what the buttons do, press them one at a time.
Okay, so let's press the buttons. I'm now going to press the square button.
Square, use it to cancel an action. Circle, use it to capture images. Triangle, use it to change modes. You can activate a secondary function by long pressing a button. For example, you can ask me to be silent at any time by long pressing the square button. Try pressing the square button for a long second now. You can activate the secondary function by long. I can now see what is in front of you. The camera is at the front of the camera module. It faces forward and is aligned to capture directly what is in front of you. Swivel the camera module up and down to find an alignment that's right for you. For example, if you are used to looking upright, you might want to swivel the camera module down. Now, using your right hand, short press the circle button on the right side of the headset to take a picture and undescribe it.
Alright, let's see it.
A couple of men with cameras in a room with a bright light with text saying E. Canon. This was an image description, also referred to as the Explore mode. There is a total of 5 modes: Explore, Document, Short Text, Barcodes and Queue. In modes like Explore and Short Text, I will automatically describe everything I can see, including visuals and text visible in your surroundings. In other modes, like Document and Queue, I will focus on an item you want me to scan, like a book or a screen. In Document, I will simply read entire documents. In Queue mode, I will be able to answer questions you may have about a document or an image you capture. More information about the Queue mode will be available once you complete this tutorial. When you are ready, press triangle to go to the next step. To provide you with rapid feedback, sound effects are played to indicate things like status and positions of items. Let's explore some of the sound effects by detecting your hand. Extend your arm to show your hand in front of the camera. A sound will be played when your hand is detected. When ready, press the button to activate the hand detection.
Alright, so I'm pressing triangle to activate the hand detection. And I am now going to place my hand in front of me. And I can hear the audio moving from left to right as I move my hand from left to right. The pitch also changes.
Notice how the pitch changes as you move your hand up and down. When you move your hand from left to right, you can also hear how the sound calling you through the stereo speakers. You can adjust and toggle the audio effects in the settings after the tutorial. The settings button is located on the top left of the user interface and is always accessible from the home menu. When you're ready, press triangle for the next step. Notice how the pitch. When you want to get more information about a specific item, you can just hold it in front of you. I will assist with placement, then capture it. Grab the tutorial card number 3 and place it in front of you. If you're not sure which card is which, just show them one by one, and I will let you know when I see it.
Alright, let's try.
That looks like the first card. That looks like a card.
So that's the first card, that's not the one we want.
That looks like the second card. That looks like the second card.
So that probably is...
That's the one. Hold the card in your hands and align it with the center place. Then slowly move it away from you in a straight line. Document aligned. Hold steady. Raise document. Raise document. Document aligned. Hold steady. Tutorial card 3 to scan a text. The item in view. Align with your face. Let the process ensue. Nose at the center, a subtle sway, move it forward, in the camera's way. In this card's second column, the story's spun, your text engagement signals a job well done. For scanning mastery, patience takes the lead, practice, adapt, and succeed indeed. Press triangle to complete this step. While you can use buttons to control the entire experience, you can also access information more rapidly using voice commands. They allow you to activate the mode of your choice by saying things like, read the text, or, what's in front of me, but they can also allow you to ask questions about something you have scanned in the Queue mode. To use a voice command, long press the circle button and speak after the wake sound. Try it now. While you can...
What's in front of me?
There is a camera on a tripod, a person sitting in a chair, and a person standing holding a camera.
That seems about right.
One of the advantages of the ARx headset is to be able to use AI completely hands-free. So you can lock your phone by pressing the lock button on the side of your phone, put the phone in your pocket and keep using ARx. When you're not using ARx, make sure to unplug the headset to avoid using battery from your phone. If you ever need to access this tutorial again, use the help mode, or say help as a voice command, or scan the tutorial card number 2 in barcode mode to activate the tutorial experience. Complete the tutorial by long pressing the triangle button and the app experience will start. Idle.
Alright, and this concludes the unboxing and setting up of the ARx Vision app and interactive tutorial.